Nice work! Now that you've requested a quote, we'll match you with multiple pros. In the meantime, you can review your details and make any edits if needed. Once matched, you can view their profiles and discuss scheduling and any other details before each pro submits their free quote. Then, accept the one that's right for you. And if you change your mind and decide you don't want to complete the job, you can cancel free of charge at any point before the pro is on their way. We'll make sure to notify you at every step of the job. And when it's all done, all payments and invoices will be handled seamlessly through Jiffy. Jiffy jobs are supported by our Homeowner Protection Promise. So if you have an issue with your ongoing or completed job, let us know and we'd be happy to help.